Alright everyone, we're here at Fabulous Freddy's car wash in Sandy, and I believe they have a Washtec Softline. So we're gonna see...
find out where they are. I'm not sure where the entrance is.
I think the entrance might be there. No, it's not. It says exit only. Let's see.
Go around that way.
Yeah, try going around the Valvoline.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna pause to see if I could walk through it, and then we will go through it. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay. There's the mirror up there. They scrub you off before you go in, they tell me. There's a pre-soak. I think this is a foam bath. Got a wheel boss. Triple foam, and then you have a Mark 7 merchandiser, I believe, touch-free module, some wax. Oh, this is flash wax. I think this is a rinse, ceramic punch, some more rinsing, and then dryers. So yeah, let's go through it now. I know. Pretty extensive prep, I'll say that much. Nice brushes. Okay, so what would you rate that wash?
I would say 10 out of 10. I've never seen a touch-free tunnel, and I just feel like the guys did a fantastic job prepping the car, and the tunnel was just excellent. I loved it. Yeah. I mean, you could even take a super sensitive car like a Tesla through, and you wouldn't have to worry about your paint.
Yeah. Not the car wash brushes scratch, but if you're super sensitive.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's definitely a great wash. I would say definitely 8 out of 10. Or sorry, I meant 10 out of 10.
I think it's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
That's my bad. Anyway.
These guys do interior details too, and it's really reasonably priced. They've got a sign up, which I think is unusual because a lot of these detail shops don't tell you their prices right up front unless you go inside and stuff. So this is great. I like that too.
Yeah. So yeah, that is the Fabulous Freddy's Car Wash in Sandy, Utah. It was $23, but I think that for what you get here, that's pretty reasonable.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So yeah, that is the merchandiser tunnel, I think.
Okay.
At Fabulous Freddy's. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.